welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chileshe Musonko. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today is all about lash application. Let's get into it. So firstly, you get a new pair of lashes, you get a new pair of lashes. You press it against your eye, you position it like that, and you position it at an angle where you know that it won't reach your inner corners, because you don't want it to irritate you. So you press it against your eye, and you notice that, I don't know if there's anybody whose eye is that big, but anyways, if it's there, you still need to cut the corners because they always protrude. So you fix it, and then when you see that it's long, you cut this side, not this side. Don't cut the front side, cut this side. So when you cut with your scissors, okay, when you cut with your scissors aside, you will notice that just here, like when at the end of the lash band, so at the end of the lash band, there's always where the hairs end, where these hairs end, there's something protruding. There's like a lash band protruding that you can cut. Don't cut the hair from the front because you don't want to mess that up. You're going to get your lash glue and your lash over the lash band. Okay, this is transparent. We've got clear adhesive glue, we've got dark tone, which is my favorite. I feel like it holds extra, but if you're starting out, I started out with this one and it was fine. It's still fine, it's just a dark tone. I just prefer the darker one. So when you put enough glue, don't be stingy, just put enough and put this away. This takes a little bit of time to dry, but be careful with the type of glue that you're using. Sometimes it just takes seconds, so you don't need to leave it there for long. Then while that's drying, what I do is that I get my mascara. I put mascara on my lashes. So you put mascara. Why do you put mascara? So when you do your face in advance, you've got so much product which are also touching your lashes, so you want to retain the dark color. Also, when you don't put mascara on your lashes and you put your falsies on top, the distinction shows. Okay, so yeah, when you put your mascara on your lashes, you get some glue. Now this is the first trick. Okay, get a little bit of glue like so, and you use anything sharp, anything pointy like this. Okay, you put a little bit of glue on that. Yes, I am literally spilling my beans, telling you guys on secrets. But anyways, so you put on top there. If you put mascara, you would know, just put, if you put eyeliner, you would put it on top of the eyeliner. Okay, so please note that I am advising everybody to do it. If you feel like it's not safe for you, don't do it, but I do. So you put a little bit all the way to where you're going to stick your lash. Now what this does is that as you are moving up, when you put your lashes and you go outside and there's wind, you won't see your lashes coming out from the corners. So you have to wait for this to be a little bit tacky so that it's easy to control when putting. As we wait, I'm going to put mascara on this other eye. Okay, you hold your lash like this, you put the tweezer on top. Don't put on the lash part or where the glue is, we don't want that. Just put where the hairs are. And the trick number 2, the first one was putting glue direct to your lash line. The second one is holding the mirror close. Now you don't want to put your lashes holding it like that, opening your eyes and then putting, then you blink. Okay, so you want to put your mirror here where you can see your chin. Okay, then you want to look into the mirror. That way you see what's happening on top, what's happening. You just see all these angles, you see where you're putting your lashes. So that's the second trick, the most important trick. Okay, how you do it, because when you're doing like this, then you're blinking, then there's so much, it just gets messed up. Trust me, you put your mirror like this, that everything is just easier. Okay, so we're going like this. So you do that, don't know if you can see. So make sure you put the lash band very close to the, okay, and to get that, so you want to get that and drag it and put it like that. Okay, you want to grab that and drag it, and you can just remove it and place it, remove it, place it where you want it to be, and then it's just there. Okay, so now here you can go into your hands, and then you want to press together the lash, the forces, and your beautiful lashes. So press them together, press them together, press them together. Okay, so yeah, girl, so just make sure that your forces are very close to your lash line so that there's no gap there. We do not want gaps. I've seen somebody walking and there's a gap there, and I'm like, girl, you gotta get that fixed. But anyways, we all start from somewhere. So I'm going to show you guys again. You get lashes. If it is very long, you try to press it against your lash. Then you see that it's too long, you cut that part. You also cut the front, like the band that exceeds from the front. Just do not cut the hairs from the front. Okay? This, you leave it and just let it be tacky and stuff. You get something sharp, anything that you don't usually use, and you put glue on it like that. Just put glue. Then you want to close your eye. Be careful, don't, yeah, so there are certain type of glues. When you do this, you feel a tingly feeling. There's this glue, it dries off, it's white, and when I do that, I used to feel this tingly thing until it dries out. Don't panic, just let it. But be careful, if your eyes are sensitive, you can skip this part. And the alternative for you to still have held down lashes, and just if you want to skip this part, is just for you to put enough glue on the actual lash. So if you put a bit, it snaps out. So don't forget the 3 tricks that I've told you guys. First, you put lash glue on your lash band on your eye. Then first you put lash glue on your eye, you put lash glue on your lash band, then you press your mirror at an angle where you are actually seeing things from down and there. Okay, such a tacky. Okay, so now, okay, don't forget this part. You put your glue, you put your mirror at this angle. You get your lashes and hold them like that. Make sure there's no glue in your hands. So yeah, this, then you want to do that, and as you're looking down, you want to press under, and you put it in between, and you let go. From there, you want to drag this side. You can remove it, you can play around with it and just fix it where you want it to be. That's the tricky thing. That's the thing, when the glue is tacky, you can press it anyhow. You remove it, put it, and drag it, and just put it. Okay, so if there is a gap, second trick is to press down the actual lash and then let it go. This has come out, not a problem. So you press that, go in between, and to press that together, and to press that together. And to press. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how you put lashes. It is simple. I don't know if you guys can see. It is so simple. It's just glue. Put enough glue on your lash band and let it be tacky. Don't do it while it's still wet, because you can't control where you press your, yeah, you put your lashes. Then also you putting glue direct on your eyelash, on your eyes, that's also a thing. Some people may not agree with me, but it works for me. And honestly, when I put lashes like this, and the way you position your mirror also matters. You position at an angle where you can actually look down and just see what's happening on top there. And yeah, like, this is 2021, girl. You got to know how to put some lashes. Yeah. And then make sure you cut them so that they don't irritate you, because if they irritate your outer corner, your inner corner. Alright, my darlings, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell. Till next time, bye bye.